Improving your website in just a week is totally achievable, and here's how to do it. So number 1, check responsiveness. Test your website responsiveness on various devices such as laptops, tablets and mobile phones. Ensure that it looks and functions flawlessly on all screen sizes. Update your contact information. So review and update your contact information, including phone numbers, email addresses and a physical address if you have one. Make sure it's super easy for your visitors to reach you, whether that's online or in person. Add an FAQ page. So anticipate common questions from your audience and create a frequently asked questions page. This helps provide valuable information up front and also reduces the need for visitors to contact you for clarification. Add recent reviews. So this is a great opportunity to showcase recent positive reviews or testimonials from your customers. This adds credibility to your business and encourages trust among clients or customers. So by focusing on these key areas, within a week you can significantly improve your website and user experience. If you've got any questions or want to chat further, send me a DM and I'm happy to help you.